Welcome to session organized by Department of College Ed and Technical Education. Under Learning Management System, Civil Department. Topic is detailed and abstract estimation of semicircular building by center to center line method. Detailed and abstract estimate buildings. Contents are method of taking out quantity, calculation of arch masonry, detailed and abstract estimation. Reference. Methods of taking out quantity. The quantities like earthwork, foundation, concrete, brickwork in plinth and superstructure, etc. can be worked out by any of the following: long wall, short wall method, center to center line method, partly center line, and short wall method. Calculation of arch masonry, different types of roofs and their estimates. These arches are segmental arches. The span of the arch varies from 90 cm to 1.8 meter. The rise of the arch varies from 1/6 to 1/10 of span, usually 1/6 of span. The thickness of arch is usually of a single 10 cm ring of brick masonry laid in cement mortar 1:4. The jack arches are supported on RS join at regular intervals. The mean length of the arch may be calculated as below. Mean length of arch is equal to clear span into 1.07 approximately. Clear span may be taken as center to center of beams. For arch filling, the average thickness of concrete is taken as 1/3 of the rise of the arch. For cement plaster on the soffit of the arch, the length of the arc or introdos may be calculated by mensuration method, that is length of arc is equal to 8b minus 2a by 3, or clear span into 1.0472. According to ISI, arch roofing should be taken in square meter under one item. This item includes brickwork in arches, concrete in arches, and finishing of underside. The concrete in roof terracing over the arches is taken in square meter under separate item stating the average thickness of the concrete. Calculation of arch masonry. Semicircular arches. S is equal to span, R is equal to radius of the arch, MR is equal to mean radius, ML is equal to mean length of arch, B is equal to breadth of the wall, T is equal to thickness of arch. Mean length is equal to 2 pi mean radius divided by 2 is equal to pi into mean radius, or 11/7 into S plus T, where S is equal to span, T is equal to thickness of arch. Quantity of arch, M into mean radius into T into B. So quantity of arch is equal to ML into T into B. By center to center line method, prepare a detailed and abstract estimate of semicircular building details as shown in figure. Adapted long wall and adapted center to center line method. Solution. This is plan of library building or small building. This is semicircular wall. The foundation is 0.8 meter width and depth is 1.8 meter. The basement width is 0.4 meter and second step foundation is 0.5 meter. Total height of basement is 0.6 meter, including DPC and plinth concrete. Solution: 20 centimeter wall, radius of curved portion R is equal to 3.0 meter, mean radius RM is equal to 3 plus wall thickness by 2 is equal to 3 plus 0.2 by 2 is equal to 3.1 meter. Center line of for curve portion 22 by 7 into 3.1 is equal to 9.74 meter. Center line of remain walls 2 into 7.3 plus 3 minus 3 plus 0.1 8.8 meter. Front wall 0.1 plus 6 plus 0.1 6.2 meter. Library room 2 into 0.1 plus 5.5 plus 0.1. 0.1 is 0.2 by 2 plus 5.5 plus 0.2 by 2 is plus 0.1 plus 4 plus 0.1 is equal to 15.6 meter. Total center to center length is 40.34 meter. Number of junction is 20 to 20. N is equal to 2 numbers. The particulars, serial number, particulars, numbers, length into breadth, depth, quantity and remark. First item is earthwork excavation for foundation 1 into 39.54 into 0.8 into 0.8. The length is equal to 40.34 minus 2 into width of the excavation by 2 is equal to 39.54 meter into breadth is 0.8 and depth is 0.8. Multiplying 1 into number into length into breadth into depth, 1 into 39.54 into 0.8 into 0.8, the quantity is 25.3 meter. Second item is sidestone masonry. Sidestone masonry in cm 1 in cm for foundation. First step 1 into 39.8 into 0.5 into 0.2 3.98. Step 2 1 into 4 39.9 into 0.4 into 0.9 14.38 meter cube. Total quantity is 18.36 meter cube. L is equal to 40.34 minus 2 into 50 by 2 is equal to 39.84 meter. Length of second step 40.34 minus 2 into 0.4 by 2 39.94 meter. Third item is plastering 12 centimeter in cm 1:4 for brickwork both inside and outside. Inside walls reading room 1 into internal curved length 22.22 by 7 into radius 22 by 7 into 3 9.43 perimeter 2 into 7.3 minus 3 plus 6 plus internal curved length is equal to 14.6 plus 9.43 is equal to 24.03 meter. The outer length is 36.75 into 3.3 120.95 square meter. Total gross quantity is 262.95 meter square. Deduction: door D 2 numbers 1.2 into 2.1, windows W1 7 into 1 into 1.5, W2 2 numbers 1.2 into 1.5, W3 1 into 2 into 1.5. Multiplying the quantity is equal to multiplying numbers into length into depth. 5.04, 10.5, 3.6, 3.6. Total quantity is 22.14 meter square. For external plastering, external radius 3 meter plus wall thickness is equal to 3 plus 0.2 is equal to 3.2 meter. External walls length is equal to 22 by 7 into 3.2 pi is equal to 10.05 meters. Total length of external walls 12.1 in plus 4.4 is equal to 5.7 plus 4.4 plus 10.05. Total length is 36.65. For mosaic flooring, reading rectangular portion 16 into 0.3 is equal to 25.8. Portion semicircular 1 into 14.14 into 4.3 and quantity is 14.14. The semicircular 5.5 into 22.02. Library room 41.94 meter square. Abstract of estimation cost item particulars unit quantity rate per unit rupees. First one, earthwork in excavation 25.3 meter, unit is cubic meter, rate 140 per square meter, cubic 140 per cubic meter, 354.2 for foundation 18.38 cubic meter, 3776 per square cubic meter, 69.327.36. Plastering 12 cm SSM in cm 1:6 in foundation, 240.81 square meter, 117. Plastering 12 mm in cm for brickwork, 61.94 square meter, 740 per square meter, 45,835.6. Total 1,46,879.73. Add 3% of contingency and 2% of work establishment charges. 4,406.39, 2,937.59. Total grand total is 1,54,223.71. Reference B.N. Datta, estimation and costing, and H.S. Vishwanath, estimating and costing. Thank you.